the benefits of an FHA loan, the pros and cons.
Hey there, if you're thinking about buying a home, you might have heard about FHA loans. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you bought a home before, an FHA loan could be a great option for you. Today, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of an FHA loan. What are they and why they might be a good fit for you?
Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more tips on home loans and mortgage education. We're excited to share what we know, and we'd love for you to join our community.
Let's jump right in. What is an FHA loan? FHA loans have been around since 1934 and are backed by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA, which is a part of the government. These loans are designed to help people who might not be able to get a regular loan, like those with lower income or lower credit scores or little money for the down payment.
An FHA loan works by providing mortgage insurance through an FHA-approved lender, which makes it easier for people to buy a home, even if they wouldn't normally qualify for other type of loans.
Now, let's get into the good stuff, the benefits of an FHA loan. Low down payment. One of the biggest perks on an FHA loan is low down payment. With an FHA loan, you only need to put 3.5% down of the home's purchase price. And here's the cool part. You can even get a down payment from a family member or a down payment assistance program. This is great for first-time home buyers or people who don't have a lot of savings. Credit score flexibility. FHA loans are friendlier when it comes to credit score. You can qualify for an FHA loan with a credit score as low as 580. And the interest rates and mortgage insurance costs don't go up based on the credit score like they do in other type of loans. These mean FHA loans can be a great option for people with lower scores who still want to buy a home. Stable mortgage insurance costs. Unlike conventional loans where your credit score can affect the cost of the mortgage insurance, FHA loans offer a set mortgage insurance rate. These make it easier for people with lower credit scores to get an affordable home loan. Higher debt to income ratios are allowed. If you have more debt compared to your income, called a debt to income ratio, FHA loans are more flexible than conventional loans. This means that an FHA loan may allow you to qualify for a loan even if you have more debt compared to your income than a conventional loan would. Shorter waiting period after financial troubles. Life happens. Sometimes people experience tough financial times like a bankruptcy, foreclosure, or a short sale. The good news, FHA loans have shorter waiting period after these events than conventional loans. For example, you only have to wait 2 years after a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and 3 years after a foreclosure or short sale to apply for an FHA loan.
Cons, or the drawbacks of an FHA loan. Every loan has its pros and cons, and FHA loans are no different. 1. Mortgage insurance stays for the life of the loan. With an FHA loan, you have to pay for mortgage insurance in 2 ways. First, there's an upfront fee of 1.75% that gets added to your loan. Then, you pay monthly mortgage insurance as part of your house payment. The downside is that if you put down less than 10%, this insurance stays for the entire life of the loan. And unlike conventional loans where mortgage insurances can be removed once you have approximately 20% equity, with FHA loans, it sticks around unless you refinance later. This means there might be a cap on how much you can borrow with an FHA loan, depending on where you live. The loan limits change every year, so it's a good idea to check with your lender to see what the current limits are in your area. And of course, you can always call us.
What should you do? Now that you know the pros and cons of an FHA loan, how do you decide if this is right for you? It all depends on your unique situation, your credit score, your down payment, and your financial history. If you have a lower credit score, need a low down payment, or have had a financial trouble in the past, an FHA loan could be a great option to help you buy a home.
Sometimes people start with an FHA loan as a stepping stone. Once they build up equity in their home, usually when they own about 20% of the home's value, they might choose to refinance into a conventional loan to drop the mortgage insurance. Talking with a lender can help you figure out if an FHA loan is a good fit for you right now and if you can refinance later.
Wrapping it up. So now you know the pros and cons of an FHA loan. They offer great benefits like low down payment and flexibility with the credit scores, but they also come with mortgage insurance that lasts for the life of the loan.
FHA loans can be a great choice for first-time home buyers or for people starting over or anyone who needs a little help getting a home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more home loan tips.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.